Hello YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Unlikely DIY. So what we have today is a funnel, a stainless steel funnel, and it came with a strainer at the end that's tack welded to the bottom flange right here. So I don't know if you could see on the camera, there's a tack weld right there, right there, right there, and right there. And this was covered in a paper bag, well, a paper, cardboard paper earlier, so I didn't realize this was the design. Anyway, I don't like that, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to remove it. So for tack welds like this, they're actually very, very difficult to remove. So what we could do is take one of these smaller drill bits that never see the light of day and actually put them to good use. So I'll let the video explain itself. So we should actually put a notch into it so it's easier to drill, but since I'm lazy and I don't want to have to do all that, let's just try and force it. So using a smaller diameter drill bit to kind of notch it, so when we put the big guys on it, it'll be easier to handle. I feel like that's at a very good angle. Let me adjust the camera. So just exert like mild pressure. Don't. It's a very awkward working position, so don't force it and hurt yourself. Alright, let's see if we can get some motion on this thing. Yep. There we go. Here it is. And now we just gotta kind of grind the cruds off with a sand paper thingy. All right, hope this helps you. Good luck.